Hey loves, if you guys want to stay tuned and watch how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm showing you guys what I am going to be using in this nail set. I am going to be using some origami paper, some clear poly gel, and some nail glue. But I am going to be using my Kiara Sky nail base. You guys can use whatever nail base you guys have. And clear poly gel brand as well. And this is how I am going to be, sticking on my little origami paper onto my nail tips. The nail tips that I am using are from Nail Couture. All the products that I use, well, most of my products that I use in this video will be listed down below. Otherwise, if I can't find the link, I won't be able to link it down below. But anyways, so I am going to do it to all my nails, the same method, the same design. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And if you do, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit that little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos. See you guys until next time. Bye.